Hello, and welcome to our video on evolution and extinction. In a previous video, we learned about how evolution is the process by which living things change over time. Today, we're going to explore how evolution can also lead to the extinction of a species. Extinction is the permanent disappearance of a species from Earth. Extinction is a natural part of the evolutionary process, but it can also be caused by human activities. One of the main reasons why species go extinct is because they cannot adapt to changes in their environment. These changes can be caused by natural events such as volcanic eruptions or changes in the climate, or even by human activities such as habitat destruction or pollution. Let's take a look at a real-world example. The woolly mammoth was a large mammal that lived in the Arctic during the Ice Age. Woolly mammoths were well adapted to the cold climate, but they could not adapt to the warmer climate that followed the Ice Age. As the climate warmed, the woolly mammoth's habitat shrank and they eventually went extinct. Another example is the passenger pigeon. The pigeon was once the most common bird in North America, but it was hunted to extinction in the early 20th century. The passenger pigeons could not adapt to the rapid changes in its environment, such as habitat loss and hunting. So, how can we prevent species from going extinct? One way is to protect their habitats. We can also reduce pollution and protect those natural resources. And of course, we can stop hunting and killing endangered species. It's important to remember that extinction is a natural part of the evolutionary process. But it's also important to do everything we can to prevent species like the dodo bird from going extinct. I hope you enjoyed this video on evolution and extinction. Thank you for watching.